The Vantamo, the Azumic or Miseyo? Perhaps the Itari or the ExcelMark? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 identity theft protection roller stamps available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best identity theft protection roller stamps. The 5th product on this list is the Itari roller stamp. Identity theft is one of the most common crimes in the 21st century, affecting millions of Americans every year. Thankfully, the Itari Identity Theft Protection Stamp is here to provide you with peace of mind regarding your personal information. Unlike traditional shredders, this stamp focuses on simplicity. You can simply roll the stamp over the text you want to mask, and you can be sure that your information is safe from prying eyes. You'll also never have to worry about paper recycling again. Prescription bottles, bills, bank statements, credit card offers, tax returns, cashed checks, and other items can all be protected from prying eyes with this unit. This roller stamp features an innovative font design based on the environmental protection concept. It safeguards not only your personal information, but also the environment. You can choose between 2 different combinations for this identity theft protection roller stamp based on the font size. When you want to protect your privacy, using this stamp will help reduce shredder work, and you won't have to listen to the ear-grating sound of a shredder. Also, when you purchase this item, you will receive 2 roller stamps and 3 black refill ink cartridges. When the ink runs out, you can easily refill it, and you will not be charged for additional ink. Its pros are, it has 2 different stamp options to choose from, it is straightforward to use, and it has wide coverage, making it easier to complete the task. However, refilling the flipped stamp can be a bit messy. The Itari roller stamp is an innovative protection roller that works amazingly for obliterating any personal info on regular paper like bank statements, shipping addresses, tax documents, junk mail, etc. Up next in 4th place is the Miseyo roller stamp. This device is an excellent environmentally friendly alternative to a shredder. This means that magazines and envelopes can be recycled because any sensitive information can be easily covered with a quick roll of a stamp. This roller is 1.5 inches wide. It works by using a pattern of characters facing multiple directions, so that it easily becomes illegible when printed over existing text. Because of its size and wide coverage, this roller stamp is ideal for quickly and cleanly covering large swaths of private information. But that's not all. It can also be used to conceal sensitive business contracts, court documents, barcodes on shipping labels, tax documents, bank statements, social security numbers, and credit card statements. This way, you can be certain that you can prevent identity theft while also rejecting the harassment of privacy disclosure. You'll also appreciate the additional oil holes on the side of this roller stamp, which prevents ink from drying out. Because it can be refilled with oil for repeated use, there's no need to replace the roller, and you can effectively conceal private identity information indefinitely. If you're still shredding private paper the old-fashioned way, or if you have trouble scribbling 100 times with a pen, this roller stamp will undoubtedly make your life easier. Its pros are, it has unlimited ink refills, its continuous thick ink design allows confidential letters to obscure the text underneath it, and it has a compact design that can be easily stored or transported. However, it's not suitable for glossy surfaces and papers. The Miseyo roller stamp is an environment-friendly stamp that allows you to protect confidential information at home or in the office. Its unlimited ink refill makes it ideal for people who are on a budget as well. Still haven't found an identity theft protection roller stamp that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the ExcelMark Rolling Guard. This next unit is a useful desk tool for safeguarding sensitive information. It employs a unique pattern on a convenient rolling design to quickly conceal addresses, social security numbers, account numbers, or identification numbers on junk mail, bills, and other important documents. It also includes a pre-inked mount, eliminating the need for a separate messy ink pad. One of the most notable features of this product is its extremely broad coverage and adjustable length. It's a 1.5-inch wide roller that's ideal for quickly and cleanly covering large swaths of private information, so you don't have to deal with your old shredder in the office or at home. Apart from that, the 1.5-inch coverage area facilitates swiping. You'll also appreciate how quickly the ink dries, allowing you to cover more information than a paper shredder. Like the others on this list, this stamp comes pre-inked, so all you have to do is open the cover and start swiping. It is also extremely safe to use. But that's not all. This ink can be re-inked indefinitely. The total length of stamp coverage can reach 330 feet, and its ink can be refilled on the stamp side when the ink runs out. Its pros are, its 1.5-inch wide coverage area with adjustable length makes swiping easy and fast. Its ink dries quickly, allowing it to cover more information much faster, and it can be used for various documents, like protecting social security numbers, bank statements, shipping addresses, tax documents, and more. However, it can be tricky to refill as the caps are very stiff. The ExcelMark roller stamp is a great tool for hiding private information. It's perfect for those who want to move on from using a shredder in the office or at home. The second product on this list is the Azumic roller stamp. We've all experienced the hassle of dealing with sensitive information, especially the annoyance of the shredder or overflowing commercial shredder bins, cutting, crossing out, and burning. Well, with the Azumic identity theft stamp and your trash can nearby, you can sit back and manage your ID protection over a cup of coffee. This product provides the most protection in a single roll. This privacy stamp roller uses fewer rolls than other stamps due to the unique combination of super tacky ink and multi-directional word design. The multi-directional letters obscure your information by perplexing the eyes and mind as to which letter they are looking at. Like our previous product, this stamp has a 1.5-inch comprehensive coverage and requires only 5 to 10 rolls to cover an entire page. So with 6 extra ink rollers and 2,500 plus easy rolls, this top secret stamp pack should last a long time. Its super sticky ink feels like paint on matte paper and is ideal for dealing with official documents and when you don't want to shred them. Its pros are, it comes pre-filled and with 6 extra refills. It has thick ink, which means you don't have to roll it multiple times, and it's small and compact, so you can easily slip it into your work desk drawer. However, both sides of documents need stamping to ensure sensitive information is hidden. The Azumic roller stamp is an exceptional option for anyone who needs to keep their files and documents confidential. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top identity theft protection roller stamp is the Vantamo roller stamp. Every year, most Americans receive a large amount of mail, the majority of which is junk mail. This mail usually includes the name and address of the home or the apartment's occupant. You might shred or cut up the name and address to protect yourself from identity theft and throw the rest away. That's until you meet Vantamo's identity theft protection roller stamp, which can save you hours of shredding time. Without shredding the document, this stamp will effectively block out any information thieves are looking for. This stamp employs a unique pattern and ink to conceal your social security number, account number, bill address, junk mail, credit card numbers, and other personal information. It is critical that we protect ourselves from this type of theft, which is becoming more prevalent across the country and around the world. You need to do something to protect yourself, and this stamp is the perfect tool for the job. This roller stamp is very simple to use. You remove the cover and swipe the information you want to safeguard. You'll also appreciate the fact that the length size is adjustable to fit all types of size labels. You can also choose the color of the stamp itself, that is, either black or white. This doesn't affect the ink color in any way, but we know that organized people like to have things matching and in order. On top of that, this product comes with 3 extra ink refills with the purchase, so you have peace of mind that you'll never run out of ink while using it. Its pros are, it has 3 free refills, saving you on costs. It comes with easy instructions to make sure you maximize its uses. It also comes with the free ebook, The Identity Theft Solution, that's useful in a variety of ways. And its manufacturer offers a money-back guarantee in case you're unsatisfied with your purchase. However, it doesn't work on glossy paper. The Vantamo roller stamp is a brilliant office desk companion for anyone who needs a more efficient way of dealing with sensitive information. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.